Hey, what's up, Collisionpreneurs? Dan Medina here. Man, today it's gonna be a game changer for your business. Today we're gonna dive into how AI is changing the auto collision industry. It's game changing, not only for operations, but for customer service, for technicians, for pretty much all areas of your business. This isn't, I'm not talking about in the future, I'm talking about this is happening now, okay? Before we dive in, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Turn your notifications on, because I have some great tools and resources we're gonna be launching pretty soon. And I don't want you to miss out on this. So number one is, we've all heard, AI this, AI that, AI's taking over, AI's taking over jobs, AI's doing this, AI's doing that, right? If you're just starting out your shop, or you're a technician looking to transition to open a shop, or if you've been in business for a couple of years and you're like, man, like this AI thing is kind of scary because, we need a lot of stuff to improve in our business before we can even think about using AI. Well, today I'm gonna give you some strategies, change the game and help you get your business to the next level, okay? So let's start off like this. Everybody's heard, or maybe not everybody, but there's an app called ChatGPT, okay? I'll put the logo here so you can see what it is. It's on Android, it's on Apple, it's on all, it's free to download, okay? First of all, I would need you to download the app, and download the app, make an account or whatever, right? Whenever you download the app, you're gonna have several options, and it's a free app, okay? You can choose to pay for an advanced feature if you like. I have the advanced feature. I would suggest you have the advanced feature. You don't have to do that right now. Eventually, you're gonna want to do that because there's a lot of great features that are very helpful, okay? So look, the difference between the free and the paid is this. The free, it's gonna give you basic brainstorming answers. Like it's not gonna really analyze a bunch of data. It's just gonna give you a general question, right? So I mean, a general answer to your question, right? With the professional, with the paid one, you have access to more professional tools. There's different AI tools you can use, right? It's a higher speed, reliable access. You can also create images. So if you want to create some kind of logos or flyers for your business, you probably can do that with the ChatGPT. So that might even help you create a logo, okay? So it has an advanced data analysis. So that helps you really get down to some very good data analysis to try to solve whatever you're trying to solve, okay? So I would suggest getting the paid, but you don't have to do it right now. Just keep it in the back of your mind. Hey, eventually I want to get the paid version. Let me play with the free for a little bit and see how that goes, okay? One of the biggest mistakes that people make with the ChatGPT is they use it like a Google. They might put a question like, I have an example here, like, how do I get more business? They'll put it on ChatGPT, how do I get more business, okay? So Chat is what it's gonna do, it's gonna give you a general question, a general answer, because it doesn't know, for one, it doesn't know what industry you're in, it doesn't know how much revenue you're bringing in, it doesn't know your demographic, it doesn't know your targeted audience. It doesn't even really know what you're selling, or is it a service, is it a product, or what is it? What are we selling here? So it's going to give you a very generic answer. Okay, that's one of the biggest problems that people make with the ChatGPT. And whenever I share this with them, I've helped, probably a handful, maybe 10 or more businesses implement ChatGPT in their business. And like, dude, this is a freaking game changer. It's like I have a whole nother staff available, like working for free 24/7. And I was like, told you. So look, instead of asking ChatGPT, how do I get more business? I want you to ask, and maybe this can be the first thing that you try. You can put, what are 5 actionable steps to improve traffic to my auto collision business located in, put your city, state, zip code, okay? And then you can even put, we specialize in insurance claims, basically vehicles no later than 2020. See what pops up, okay? You'll be surprised because you're like, man, this is a lot of information I didn't know about. Again, if you're using the free version, it might be different from the paid version, because the paid version is gonna go a lot more deeper to figure out how to solve that problem for you. So one thing that Chat does is, you presented a problem and it's gonna work to try to figure out the solution to that problem for you. That's how ChatGPT works. Google is it's a search engine. ChatGPT is a problem-solving buddy. It's a partner. But the key is, the more information you feed it, the more information it knows about what it's trying to solve for you, okay? So remember that. Another thing too is make sure you include key details with whatever question you're asking it. You know, the more details you provide within the question, the better it's going to give you an answer, okay? And mind you, I don't know on the free one, but on the paid one, so it can also create an Excel spreadsheet for you. It can also create a PDF file for you. It can also create a Word doc for you. So for example, if you say, hey, I own an auto collision shop located in Texas, you put the zip code, the state, or whatever. We deal with insurance claims, or we deal with fleet vehicles. We deal with paying cash customers. Create a document that protects me from any liabilities. Create a document that authorizes them to make sure that I get paid for the job. Okay, you understand what you say? You understand where I'm going here? ChatGPT can help you start to create those documents and stuff like that to get you growing. I'm not saying it might not. You might need to review it and tweak it or change it, but it's gonna give you the groundwork. It's gonna give you the framework to get that going. Okay. Another one is remember. It all comes down to the question. If you answer the right question, I mean, if you ask the right questions, there's no right or wrong question. I'm saying if you ask a really good question, really detailed, really specific, it's gonna give you a better specific answer to solve that for you, okay? And look, you can use ChatGPT for marketing advice. You can use it for self-help mindset. You can even say, hey, chat, I'm this many, this is how old I am. This is my education. I'm looking to grow my auto collision shop to 5 million. What do you suggest I start to read? What are some good business books? What are some good leadership books? What are some good leadership podcasts? Hey chat, what do you suggest I read about money management for my first time owning a business? Hey chat, what is the difference between a CPA and a bookkeeper? Hey chat, can you find me a list of CPAs and bookkeepers in my city and give them the zip code? It's gonna help you kind of get that information. Hey chat, can you put that on a PDF file for me? It's gonna put it on the chat for you. I mean, on the file for you. So I would like for you to start off small, right? Start off small. What I mean by that, download the app and ask it some basic questions like, hey chat, I'm this many years old. What are some good workout routines? Or what are some good self-help books? Hey chat, help me create a schedule for my busy life. You know, how can I manage my family and business? Hey chat, help me do a time audit. Hey chat, I'm a first-time business owner. I have a family of this. I have a family. I do that. I do this. I do that. What should I be focusing on the first part of the day? You understand? You see where I'm getting at here? It's gonna help you get some clarity on direction. So use ChatGPT for that. Okay, it's not, like I said, it's not a search engine. In fact, I want you to try this on your lunch break or in the morning or maybe on your drive home. Put your ChatGPT on Bluetooth. On the bottom right corner where you type, there's like a little microphone. Hit that microphone, you're gonna see a thing light up. It's a glowing thing. Talk to it. Hey chat, my name is so-and-so. I have a question. Hey so-and-so, what's your question? Hey, I really wanna grow my business. I'm in the auto collision industry. I was a technician for 10 years. These are some of the things I'm struggling with. What do you think I should do? Give me some advice. Give me some pointers. What should I? How should I? What are some strategies? You know, how should I set my goals? You know, hey chat, it's we're in the last quarter of the year. What should I be focusing on? What information should I get from my business to see where my business is doing for the year? Hey chat, it's the end of the year. What are some good marketing strategies for the holidays? Do you see where I'm going here? Use chat for that as a thinking partner. Okay. And what's cool is you can actually have a conversation with chat. So you're asking a question, it's responding, and you're saying, hey, hold on, you said this, but what about if I do this? Oh yeah, you can do that. It's gonna have a conversation. It's gonna expand the way you're thinking, okay? I want you to leave something in the comment and letting me know how it worked for you. Did it help your business? How did it help your business? Did it help your personal life? Did it help your personal mental health? Like, what did it help in your business? And do you feel like this is something that you needed? All right, guys, till next time.